Welcome to my PodTalks English channel. We'll talk, learn, and practice English together, step by step. Let's start speaking English with confidence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners.
Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting country, Canada.
Yes, we'll explore its people, culture, food, places, and more.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy learning English while we talk about Canada.
First, where is Canada?
Canada is in North America. It's above the United States.
It's the second largest country in the world.
Yes, it's very big and beautiful, full of forests, lakes, and mountains.
Do you know the capital of Canada, Tom?
Yes, it's Ottawa. Many people think it's Toronto, but no, the capital is Ottawa.
That's right. Ottawa is in the province of Ontario.
It's a peaceful and clean city with beautiful buildings and museums.
Canada has many famous cities.
Yes, Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, and Calgary are very popular.
Toronto is the largest city.
And Vancouver is known for its nature and mountains near the ocean.
Let's talk about the flag.
The flag of Canada has two red bars on the sides and a red maple leaf in the middle.
The maple leaf is a symbol of Canada.
It represents peace, tolerance, and nature.
Canada has a lot of maple trees, right?
Yes, and from maple trees we get maple syrup.
Canadians love maple syrup on pancakes.
It's sweet, golden, and very delicious.
Canadians are known for being polite.
Yes, they often say sorry and thank you a lot.
They're friendly and helpful.
That's one reason many people like to visit Canada.
Did you know Canada has two official languages?
Yes, English and French.
Most people speak English, but in Quebec, many speak French.
Bonjour. That means hello in French.
The weather in Canada can be very cold.
Yes, winter is long and snowy in many places.
But summers can be warm and nice too.
You can enjoy snow in winter and hiking in summer.
Canada is famous for its natural beauty.
There are forests, mountains, rivers, and thousands of lakes.
It's a great place for people who love nature.
You can see amazing wildlife like bears and moose.
One of the most famous places in Canada is Niagara Falls.
Yes, it's a giant waterfall between Canada and the US.
It's so powerful and beautiful.
Many tourists visit it every year.
What animals can we find in Canada?
Bears, moose, beavers, wolves, and even whales.
The beaver is another symbol of Canada.
It's even on some Canadian coins.
The red color of the flag means courage.
And white means peace.
The maple leaf means unity and nature.
It's a simple but meaningful design.
Canada has 10 provinces and 3 territories.
That's right. Each province has its own government.
Ontario, Quebec, British Columbia, Alberta, so many.
Each one is special in its own way.
The Rocky Mountains are very famous in Canada.
They are beautiful and very tall.
Many people go there to ski or hike.
You can find them in Alberta and British Columbia.
What's Canada's most popular sport?
Ice hockey. Canadians love it.
They also play lacrosse, which is another national sport.
Many kids play hockey on frozen lakes in winter.
Ice hockey is fast and exciting.
Players skate and try to shoot the puck into the goal.
The fans are very passionate.
It's more than a sport. It's part of Canadian culture.
Let's talk about Canadian food.
There's poutine, maple syrup, butter tarts, and Nanaimo bars.
Poutine is French fries with cheese and gravy.
It sounds strange, but it's delicious.
Canadians love breakfast with pancakes and maple syrup.
Sometimes with bacon or eggs.
It's a great way to start the day.
Warm, sweet, and full of energy.
Canada has good schools and universities.
Yes, many students from other countries go to study there.
They like Canada's safe environment.
And they can practice English and French too.
Many international students go to Canada to study.
Yes, because Canadian schools are high quality.
And it's also a safe and welcoming country.
Students can learn and also explore nature and culture.
People from around the world go to work in Canada.
There are many job opportunities, especially in technology and healthcare.
Canada needs skilled workers.
And workers are treated fairly and equally.
Canada is a democratic country.
Yes, people vote to choose their leaders.
The head of state is the king, represented by the governor general.
The prime minister is the leader of the government.
Canada's money is called the Canadian dollar.
The symbol is CAD or just $.
The coins have animals like beavers and caribou.
And the $1 coin is called the loonie.
Do you know any famous Canadians?
Yes, Justin Bieber, Celine Dion, Ryan Reynolds, and Drake.
They are all very talented.
Canada has many artists, actors, and musicians known worldwide,
Canada has invented some cool things.
like the telephone, basketball, and the snowmobile.
Wow, I didn't know basketball was invented by a Canadian.
Yes, Dr. James Naismith in 1891.
Canadian culture is a mix of many traditions.
Because people from many countries live there.
It's very multicultural.
That's why you can find many kinds of food, music, and festivals.
Canada welcomes immigrants from all over the world.
Yes, diversity is one of its strengths.
People can keep their own culture and also be Canadian.
It's a beautiful mix of traditions.
Canada also has Indigenous peoples.
Yes, the First Nations, Inuit, and Métis.
They have their own languages and cultures.
Their history is very important in understanding Canada.
Canadians love festivals.
There's the Canada Day celebration on July 1st.
People wear red and white, wave flags, and watch fireworks.
It's like Canada's birthday.
Winter is long in Canada, so people make it fun.
Yes, they have winter festivals with ice sculptures and skating.
The Quebec Winter Carnival is very famous.
People wear warm clothes and enjoy outdoor fun.
Canadians love music.
Yes, from pop and rock to folk and country.
Celine Dion, The Weeknd, and Shania Twain are from Canada.
Music brings people together in festivals and concerts.
Canadians have many artists and painters.
The Group of Seven is very famous in art history.
They painted beautiful landscapes of Canada.
Their art shows nature's power and beauty.
Canada is a big country, so people need good transportation.
Yes, they use cars, buses, and trains to travel between cities.
And planes for long distances.
The Trans-Canada Highway connects the whole country.
Tourists love visiting Canada.
They can see cities, national parks, and lakes.
Banff National Park is one of the most famous.
It has mountains, clear lakes, and fresh air.
Canada has more lakes than any other country.
That's true. There are thousands of them.
Lake Louise and Great Bear Lake are very beautiful.
Perfect for kayaking, fishing, and relaxing.
In Canada, you can see many animals.
Bears, wolves, deer, eagles, and even whales.
People love watching wildlife safely.
It reminds everyone to protect nature.
Many Canadians live in cities, but some live in the countryside.
Life there is quiet and peaceful.
People farm, fish, and enjoy open space.
It's perfect for people who love nature.
City life is very different.
Yes, in Toronto or Vancouver, life is fast and busy.
There are restaurants, theaters, and big shopping malls.
But still clean and well organized.
Canadian houses are often big with gardens.
Yes, and in cold areas, they have strong heating.
Some people live in apartments too.
Houses are made to be warm and comfortable.
Family is very important in Canada.
Yes, families often spend time together on weekends.
They might go to parks or travel together.
Family dinners are also a big part of Canadian life.
Canada celebrates many holidays.
Like Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's.
Thanksgiving is in October, not November like in the US.
It's a time to give thanks for food and family.
Every province has its own food traditions.
In Quebec, people love French-style food.
On the East Coast, seafood is popular.
And in the prairies, they love meat and potatoes.
If you visit Canada, what should you do first?
Visit Niagara Falls or see the CN Tower in Toronto.
Or go skiing in Whistler.
There is something for everyone.
Education in Canada focuses on equality.
Yes, all children have the right to good education.
Schools also teach about kindness and respect.
That's why Canadian students are known for politeness.
Canada has public health care.
Yes, most medical services are free for citizens.
That's amazing. Everyone can see a doctor when needed.
It's one of the best healthcare systems in the world.
Canadians care a lot about the environment.
They recycle, plant trees, and protect animals.
The government also protects forests and water.
People love clean air and green spaces.
Canada is a great place to learn English.
Yes, many English schools welcome students from everywhere.
You can practice English in daily life too.
And make friends from many countries.
So, why do people love Canada?
Because it's safe, beautiful, and friendly.
It's a land of peace and opportunity.
And it welcomes everyone with open arms.
We've learned so much about Canada today.
Yes, about its people, food, culture, and nature.
Canada is truly a wonderful place.
Thank you for listening to our podcast, Let's Talk About Canada.
See you next time.